welcome back to my another video, guys. I'm really sucked and happy also that yesterday has uncovered and the Chimera has released the jailbreak of iOS 12.4. Yes, it's true too, that's the only support to S7 to 11 Bionic, but what's really funny is the iOS 12.4 is the latest version of released by Apple. So let's just stop talking and find out how this jailbreak gonna be work. So if you haven't seen my first video about the jailbreaking iOS 12.2, the same method is the same way this is gonna work. So let's start. All the applications link and the link I used in the tutorial I have right down in the description below. So first I had jailbroke my device. As you can see, the Chimera and cydia is up here, but then I start this device just because to show you how this whole process gonna work. As you can see, the cydia is not working. It's revoking. So what you have to do is just a Twitchbox app. So just go to Safari and just type twitchboxapp.com, and then you will find let me give you a perfect example of the tutorial. There we go. So install now, and then you will find this profile. When you just found this profile, the pop-up will appear. This is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Just tap on allow. I have already downloaded this. Then go back to the settings, and then you have to trust it. There we go. And this Twitchbox, just install it from here, and then the Twitchbox app will come up here. Then go to the Twitchbox app, let it be load, then go to the apps, go to Twitchbox apps, and then you will find in the very beginning up here, yes, the Chimera jailbreak 1.3.3. This is 82.40 MB application of the Chimera jailbreak. What you have to do is just tap on it and install it. Yes, api.twitchbox.com. Then you can install it. After installing, I have already installed that. There you can see the Chimera is up here. After installing this, just you have to go to settings, go to profile and device management, general, and go to profile device management, and then you will find this profile. And then you have to do is trust here. Trust here, because I have already verified this and trusted this application. I got an option to delete app, but I'm not going to do this. Then go back to the Chimera. Chimera also required a fresh reboot iPhone. So maybe this is the chance when I get a pop-up and they will tell me to restart my device. Okay, so jailbreak it. Okay, there we go. The reboot is required. When you tap OK, and your device will be start. Let it be done. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channels and like video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get every stuff when I upload my new video every time, and you get notification on your home screen. So support me. There we go. Back again, go to Chimera and then jailbreak. Yes, it's working. Okay, number 3, this is the last step, and then your device will spring. Don't forget that you have at least 50% battery to complete this whole process. Or don't forget to even back up your iPhone. In iTunes or iCloud, doesn't matter. But if you have any precious data, I suggest you to back up your iPhone first, and then do it back. And you can see this is not restarting, this is a logo of a spring. So if you are firstly using jailbreaking device, I suggest you to not install any tweaks that you don't know about. Just find what tweaks are and which tweak is working for what thing, what option or what changes in your iPhone, so you can understand without knowing anything, any tricks that you're gonna install in your iPhone and make it trouble for you. So there we go. Another time when you see Cydia will not available up here, but what you can do is go to Chimera and your jailbroken and open Cydia. You will find an option up here, open Cydia. Then it will just move your screen to the Cydia. Then this is the Cydia. This is the another version of Cydia. This is actually good, not bad. This UI is awesome because it's look like the app stores. Then you find all the applications, the news, this yours. Yes, there we can go. Jarvis, Big Boss Repo, Chimera Repo, Dynastic, and packets. Okay, so if you want to install some great tricks, I'm write down my another videos link down in the description, so you can go up there, just see the wall, watch the whole video about the greatest trick. I have already made the 3 or more video about the tricks. That was amazing tricks that I'm personally using in my iPhone 8. So will makes your iPhone very powerful. Okay, so there it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Again, if you did not subscribe, please do it again, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notification every time we release a new video. Thank you so much guys. This device has jailbroken.